This is Brilliant Maths. You're welcome. Some of you have followed us for some time now. Thank you very much. And for those who are just joining us for the first time, today we are looking at geometry, angle relationships, and facts. But before we go there, we want to look at the answers to the last exercise on classifying angles. Here are the answers. Question 1. An angle of 145 degrees is an acute angle. True or false? The answer is false, because an angle of 145 degrees is obtuse. Question 2. What type of angle is an angle that measures 91 degrees? Answer is obtuse. An angle that measures 91 degrees is obtuse. Question 3. What is the measure of a straight angle? The measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. Question 4. What type of angle is an angle that measures 88 degrees? An angle that measures 88 degrees is an acute angle. Question 5. Give an example of a reflex angle. In question 5, the answers will vary because it depends on the angle you choose. We're looking at angle relationships and facts. The first relationship we want to look at are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles lie next to each other. There are two angles that lie next to each other. They have a common vertex and a common arm. For example, angle ABC is adjacent to angle CBD. We can see that the common vertex is at the point B, and the common arm is line BC. So we write it as angle ABC. Remember, this is ABC. So that's this angle is adjacent to angle CBD. Angle CBD. So like we said, the common vertex is at B. The common vertex is B, and the common arm is BC. The common arm is PC or CB. So we're saying that angle ABC, which is this angle, ABC, is adjacent to angle CBD. So the common vertex is B, and the common arm is BC or CB. Next, let's look at complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. They are actually two adjacent angles that add up to 90 degrees. For example, we have angle PQR and angle RQS. From the drawing, we can see that the whole angle, that is PQS, is 90 degrees, which is the total of angle PQR and angle RQS. The total of these two angles, which is angle PQS, is actually 90 degrees. So both of them are complementary. They are adjacent and complementary. So we write it as angle PQR is adjacent to angle RQS. So if angle PQR, assuming, is 75 degrees, the complement of that angle is angle RQS. It will be equal to 90 degrees minus 75 degrees, which is 15 degrees. Next is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. For example, we have angle ABD with the angle at B and angle CBD. We can say that angle ABD and angle CBD are supplementary because the two angles add up to 180 degrees. We can actually see that the sum of the two angles is a straight angle. So for example, if angle ABD is 147 degrees, the supplement, which is angle CBD, will be 33 degrees because 147 degrees plus 33 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Let's look at example 1. We have angles RST, angle TSU, angle USV. And the question is, for question A, we are told to list all the pairs of adjacent angles in the diagram. Remember, what are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are two angles that lie next to each other. They have a common vertex and they have a common arm. So let's find the pairs of adjacent angles. Angle RST is adjacent to angle TSU. We can see that because they have a common vertex, which is S, and they have a common arm, which is ST or TS. So the first pair is angle RST and angle TSU. Again, we can see that angle TSU has a common vertex with angle USV. So they are also adjacent. So we have angle TSU and angle USV. So we have two pairs of adjacent angles. For the second question in the same example, question B says, are angles RST and angle USV adjacent? Let's see those angles. Angle RST, is it adjacent to angle USV? The answer is a no. No, because they do not lie next to each other, although they have a common vertex, which is S, but they do not have a common arm. Look at it again. Angle RST and angle USV. There's no common arm. So the answer is no. Angle RST is not adjacent to angle USV. Example 2. What is the complement of 16 degrees? Remember, we learned that complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. So for the solution, you simply find the difference between 16 degrees and 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 16 degrees is equal to 74 degrees. So the complement of 16 degrees is 74 degrees. Example 3. What is the supplement of 89 degrees? We also remember that supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. So to find the supplement of 89 degrees, we simply subtract 89 degrees from 180 degrees. Solution: 180 degrees minus 89 degrees is equal to 91 degrees. So the supplement of 89 degrees is 91 degrees. Let's try out this exercise. Question 1. Name the two pairs of adjacent angles in the diagram below. You can see the diagram. Angle PQR, RQS, SQT. We want you to find the two pairs of adjacent angles in this diagram. Question 2. What is the supplement of 48 degrees? Question 3. What is the complement of 21 degrees? My name is Ngozi Orevaoghene. Follow me on brilliantmath.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you like what we're doing, give me a thumbs up. Go to the blog. You'll find lots and lots of exercises. Always remember, maths is fun.